Welcome to the video. Before you ask, why is the pit bike here? Let me just tell you, I got super close to selling this thing like 2 or 3 times, and both people were then not interested just because it is not the L version, which has the clutch. So I guess nobody wants a normal 110. But anyway, since I have it, I'm gonna use it. So I was using a shovel trying to get all this angled up a little bit more, and I'm gonna be trying to do a 180 right here, something like that. I don't even know if I'll be able to do it, but maybe this video will just be me completely failing every single time. But either way, I am gonna try, and maybe even I can come in through that way, smooth that out a bit. But this is what I have so far. It is a nice 41 degrees, which is a record for the last couple weeks. It's been freezing pretty much all the last couple weeks. So, but yeah, I'm gonna set up the tripod with my phone so we can actually get a decent angle of this. Like right here should be good because I'm gonna be coming in that way and going down. Honestly, if I just put this right on top of the car, just like that, let's do this. Same strategy as I did. Actually, wait, that video I don't think I've even edited yet. Never mind, no spoilers here. There. Epic. Now let's see if I can even do this. I'm gonna give it a solid effort. But slippery as hell. I tried to drift it and then the front frickin' gave out. My ankle's stuck under it. Fuck. Look at that. I expected there to be a little bit more grip there. This is a new jacket too, and I'm wrecking it. Well, let alone can I hit a 180, can I even ride? It is a little wet out right now. Dude, this is so slippery. Now my ass is wet and my knee is wet, but I just got like what? Gas is still on there. Yeah. Nothing got bumped. Every single spot is so slippery. Every time I accelerate a little bit, it's just like that, because it's just like a top layer of like very like slick grass and a little thin layer of mud, and then right under it is just frozen, and it just tears off. Like, it's ridiculous. Well, that was probably the best attempt so far. was my last attempt. I'm not gonna try that anymore. But right now, it is shaped so good. But this thing is like 6 feet tall. Like, it's taller than me. I mean, actually, no. If it's 6 feet, yeah, I'm just like maybe a couple inches taller than it. Yeah, I'm not one of those 5-foot midgets. But yeah, still got the pit bike. Thanks for 100 subs, by the way. A lot more content coming. The spring is literally going to be the best. We got the truck. We got the street bike. Still working on all the paperwork and insurance stuff for that. But I'm telling you, we got a lot of stuff coming. And if you're watching this and you're not subbed, please sub. I'm trying to hit 150 next, and we're pretty close to that, so it's not like one of those crazy like goals where one sub isn't like a huge difference in making it there, but I feel like one sub in like out of 50, that's pretty important, you know what I'm saying? I got like 2 more days this week where it's supposed to be a lot warmer, so I'm planning on making some more riding videos then. But this is the first of a couple more. But yeah, another video in the books, and I'll see you next time.